Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Bulldog Winch 9,800 pound trailer winch with the synthetic rope and the Hawse fairlead. Now this heavy duty winch will let you pull trucks, vans, tractors and other large vehicles onto your trailer. So this is perfect for gooseneck car haulers, flatbeds, tag-alongs and even large tilt trailers. You can see it's a very nice low profile design which will help you fit easily into most custom cabinets or boxes. Over here is the motor. It's a 5.8 horsepower permanent magnet motor, and that'll deliver powerful, fast, and safe line pulling. The motor is lighter, uses less current than a series wound motor. It does have a vent on it to let vapor escape to prevent any moisture buildup. And this winch does use an automatic mechanical brake, which will hold 100% of the load while minimizing any winch creep. Over here, they use an all-steel 3-stage planetary gear train. This will provide increased drum speed when compared with the worm drives or the 1- and 2-stage planetary gear trains. Gear ratio on this is 265:1. It does use a free spooling clutch, which will ensure a nice fast rope payout, reduce wear on the motor. It has this clutch handle that'll let you engage or disengage it. And this gearbox itself can be rotated 360 degrees and installed in 12 different positions so that you could reach this clutch handle no matter where you mount the winch. Basically right now, with this handle pointing up, it's pointing this way, it is engaged, so then you can operate it. If you want to pull out, if you want to free spool, if you rotate this 180 degrees and it's pointing down, it shows you that it's pointing to where you can pull out as much as you need. Once you pull out as much as you need and then you want to engage it, just flip this handle right back up into the up position, and then you can operate your winch as needed. Over here it has this nice side-mounted power unit, which will include the contactor in this plastic housing and all your electrical wiring. You can see your battery cables come out of there. It does use a sealed 365 amp contactor, which will transmit power from your battery to the winch motor. And it is water and weather resistant to IP67 specifications. If you notice, it does come with this wired handheld remote. This will let you operate the winch from up to 20 feet away. It has a toggle switch for in and out and a 20-foot cord. And all you have to do to connect it is just line up. There's 3 pins here with a notch on it. Just line those pins in the notch up. And once you get it lined up, you just push it on all the way and you're connected, and now you can operate your winch. And then when you're done, you can just unhook it and then put your dust cover back on there. Now the rope on this is a synthetic rope. It's 50 feet long, 3/8 inch diameter HNPE synthetic rope. It's strong as steel, yet lightweight and easier, safer to handle. They do use a steel spring tensioner, allows the easy rope management, ensures correct spooling. And if you notice on the end here, it has this large 3/8 inch steel hook with the keeper on it, and even includes this red hand saver strap. Now the fairlead right here, it's a heavy duty CNC machine billet aluminum Hawse fairlead. And what's nice is the opening of the fairlead has rounded corners on it, which helps prevent friction to the rope. So if this is pulled at an angle, there's no sharp edges to damage the rope. It has a nice clear anodized finish on it to resist corrosion. You can see this winch is installed on the steel mounting plate. It comes with the hardware to install it. This will let you mount the winch and the fairlead to your trailer deck or frame. This has a nice durable black powder-coated steel body and motor to resist corrosion. And the motor tube is a Dacromat plated motor tube to resist internal corrosion. The tie bars right here, side frames, help create a nice strong rigid winch body. It does come with a nice instruction manual to describe how this operates, how it all goes together. A few specs on this winch: the rated line pull with a single layer of synthetic rope around the drum. Static load is 9,800 pounds. Rolling load is 98,000 pounds. The motor we mentioned is a 12-volt DC motor. The line pull at 0 pounds. The power draw will be 51 amps. The line speed is 29 feet per minute. The line pull at 9,800 pounds, the power draw will be 365 amps. The line speed is 5 3/4 feet per minute. We mentioned the battery cables right here in the back. The size on them is 1 gauge, and the lead length on both of them is about 6 feet. Last thing I want to do is give you some dimensions on this. We'll give you the length. So from this end all the way over to this end, it's about 21.5 inches long. The width on it is going to be the mounting plate with the fairlead. So from the fairlead to the back of the mounting plate is about 8 inches wide. And the height at the tallest point is going to be where this handle is. It's going to be right at about 8 inches tall. Weight on this winch is about 64 pounds. But again, just to spin it around to show you the back where the battery cables are. Then the front. But that should do it for the review on this Bulldog Winch 9,800 pound trailer winch with the synthetic rope and the Hawse fairlead.